anywhere.
No crust anywhere. Just open waters. District Lounge. Straight down. She found it. Evolution. Yeah, this looks like it. It's pretty cool though. Go to the front. Because you can see what's going on. Welcome to the Evolution Bar.
What's this now? A man gave it me. They were pixie dusted. Yeah. And it's a chocolate flavoured crispy treat. I think this is from Vanellope's. Yeah. Unless they just bought it with them.
No, because they've everywhere. Split it, so these are the ears.
Yeah.
Split it down the ears.
Do you not think you've already got chocolate on your face?
Split it down the ears.
Oh, you've got the most chocolate. What'd you say? Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What are we waiting for? Daddy. Yeah, but what are we? Oh, look, they're here to dance. It's not really in dancing gear though, are we?
When we rehearse in Toronto is the exact same way they stay for our entire.
Ready to get started? Awesome. So, who's planning on going to the show tonight for Golden Mickey's?
Amazing. Well, we are going to learn a little snippet of a number in there. It's called Friendship. I'm sure most of us have seen Toy Story. I'm guessing, yes, if we're on a Disney cruise, I'm sure we've seen it once or twice. So we're going to learn a little number just from, or a little part of that number.
Sure.
So we're going to start facing forward. This will be our front. Mostly follow Taylor for this. There'll be sometimes I'll turn around and face you, but she is facing the correct way. So big step back the other way. So we're going to step with our right foot first, then our left foot, then our right foot, then our left foot. Yeah, just a bit, starting from the top, stepping with our right foot. We have a 5, 6, 7, and you've got a friend in me. 6, 7, 8. Awesome. We doing okay so far? A friend in me. One more time, and you've got a friend in me. Here's our mark. Now say
Well
this.
done, bud.
We have a toe, heel, toe, heel. Toe, heel, toe, heel. Awesome. So we just finished our last march. We did a left, right, left together. We have toe, heel. Then we're going to cross our toe, across, toe, 6, 7, and. One more time. Big marches. Toe, heel, toe, heel. Yes, feeling better about it? Yeah. So same arm up as foot. Yeah, that's our pose.
That's good. Well
so
done.
we just did our toe, heel, toe. Here we go. Toe, 1, 2, 3, and you just remember what your old pal said. Exactly. We all can nail that as we're breathing. Then we do big marches starting with our right foot again. And we're pointing. You've got a friend in me. 6, 7, 8. Now, you've got a friend in me. Find your friend. You've got a friend in me. Keep going. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. One more time. Big march. Here we go. And toe, heel, toe, heel. You just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me. Find a friend. Gotta keep going. You've got a friend in me. Nice big marches. Yeah. Okay. So let me know number 5, 6, 7, and you've got a friend in me. Keep going. You've got a friend in me.
done, guys. Well done, Lil. Don't mean to move over. How's your sugar cookie? Is it a sugar cookie or not?
A rice cookie too.
A rice cookie. Good dancing, Lace.
Hey, come on now!
Yes, do you want to get her stage?
I loved your list. I did so fun.
You're so welcome. I love your dress. I hope you wear it to the show tonight so we can spot you in your lineup.
Did you ask a question?
I actually did cheerleading growing up. I'm from Texas. I could tell by your lip.
By the list.
So that's how I started, and then once I went to school for musical theater, that's when I really started doing jazz and ballet and tap and all of those things.
So you do? What do you do? Ballroom? Oh my goodness, so fun.
There's some ballroom in our show tonight.
Yeah, under the sea, if you look out for some of the dancers looking at huge hats on, you do a little bit of ballroom there.
See if you can talk.
Very Very fun. Yeah, good job.
A quick step. You can probably teach us some lessons.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. Let us know.
Yeah.
We'll come to your dance
Yes,
class.
exactly. Or if you come to the next one, you can maybe show us something.
Some moves. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, perfect. We're ready to see you all tonight.
See you later. Thanks. Bye. She's a cheerleader. You okay?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.